Hey everyone, it's Brian from WorkshopAddict.com. We're going to announce the winner of the Ryobi 18-volt Devour sweeper, and we had a lot of people get in this contest and tell us a lot of weird things that they would use this sweeper for. Anything from cleaning up leaves in the yard to cleaning up dog waste, which I thought was a very interesting comment because I am very unsure how this would do picking up something that might not be completely solid, and then where in the world you'd want to store this thing after it got completely covered in old dog waste. Either way, if you watched our video on this, you'll find that it works well for picking up small pieces like nails, small pieces of wood, a lot of different items that you might have in your shop, little pieces of wood waste, items like that, but it doesn't work well for dust. It kind of can be used for dust if you're willing to continually clear it out a little bit. Either way, if you're going to pick up one of these, I highly suggest you watch our video. We'll show you a lot of different situations and scenarios on how we used it and how we got it to work how we wanted in those situations. Very good. Now the guy who won this, I really hope that he enjoys this. First, I want you to hang out to the end. I'll give you a way to get into the next drawing and give you some insight on what's going on. But the winner of this drawing is going to be Jonathan Matuzak. And I hope I didn't slaughter your last name. If I did, I'm sorry. You have 48 hours to get back with us. You can email us at webmaster@workshopaddict.com. Now, for what's going on in the future, we're going to have a spring break giveaway, which is going to be another little cleaning item. We have some large impact wrenches coming up. We've got some Milwaukee stuff coming up. I know you all love that. We have some cool items coming. We're going to get through this next little vacation period and keep things rolling. But we are going to come out with another giveaway item probably in the next day or two. So keep your eye out for that and get back in. With that said, how you can get back into the next one on this video. So on this specific video, comment below on what you like to build. We like to build cars. We're getting to the point where this one's going to get running a little more, get a little bit more fine-tuned. So it's nice to kind of move one out. We got the Travis Mills Foundation Jeep that's going to be pulling in here next. We're going to get that built for the summer. That's going to be an awesome build. So just tell me what you like to build. It doesn't have to be cars. I mean, my God, everybody builds something different, from woodworking, metal fabrication, to houses, to all kinds of stuff. Just tell us what you like to build. #WorkshopAddict. Now watch out for the rest of the items that are coming up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Give us a like in this video. Comment to get in the next one. Thanks for your time, guys. Have a great day.